Delayed presentation of splenic pseudoaneurysm and its management, a case report. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Splenic pseudoaneurysm following splenic trauma is a rare but serious complication with a high risk of rupture. Percutaneous embolization has emerged as the preferred treatment modality in hemodynamically stable patients. However, the exact timing of pseudoaneurysm appearance and the management of multiple pseudoaneurysms remain unclear and lack standardized protocols. The study presents a case of a 35-year-old female with a grade 4 splenic injury, according to the AST grading system, who did not have any pseudoaneurysm on her initial contrast-enhanced CT. However, on post-injury day 5, ultrasound, USG, revealed multiple splenic pseudoaneurysms, which were further confirmed by CT angiography. The patient underwent percutaneous gelform embolization to manage these various pseudoaneurysms. The patient underwent successful gelform embolization, effectively controlling the multiple pseudoaneurysms in the spleen with no immediate complications. Post-procedural recovery was uneventful, and the patient was discharged after appropriate monitoring. A well-established protocol is necessary to promptly diagnose splenic pseudoaneurysms, PSAs, after solid organ injury. Follow-up imaging, such as USG and CT angiography, should be performed promptly. To reduce inter-observer variations, it is recommended that the same radiologist perform the follow-up ultrasound for consistency in the interpretation and detection of complications. Introduction. Splenic artery pseudoaneurysms are a type of vascular injury that can happen after trauma to the spleen. These are rare but serious, with a high chance of rupturing and causing life-threatening bleeding. One of the main challenges in managing these injuries is that they can develop and grow quietly, sometimes showing up several days after the initial trauma. This makes timely diagnosis and treatment difficult, as there are no clear guidelines on when to follow up or what scans to use. In recent years, doctors have moved toward using less invasive treatments that aim to save the spleen, such as endovascular embolization. This is a technique where doctors block off the damaged blood vessels using small coils or materials, avoiding major surgery. We present a case where a patient developed multiple splenic artery pseudoaneurysms 5 days after an injury. These were found through imaging and successfully treated using an endovascular approach. This case highlights the importance of close monitoring after splenic injuries, even if the patient appears stable at first, and supports the growing trend of spleen-preserving treatments. Conclusion. In conclusion, while SAE has revolutionized the management of traumatic splenic injuries, the establishment of a standardized protocol for the early identification and ongoing monitoring of vascular complications is essential. This case report serves as a call to action for clinicians and institutions to consider the development of such protocols, ensuring that patients who undergo SAE receive the highest standard of care throughout their recovery journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.